Hi friends. So let's start the first program explanation. So first run the program. If run the program, the result is a list of 4, 8, 12. Okay, list of 4, 8, 12. That is the answer. Now, how the answer is coming? Let's see here step by step. Okay, let's take the first iteration. So in the first iteration, we take the first actual data. The actual data is okay. That list of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, that is the actual data, right? So list of elements, right? Each element has index number. Let us take the index numbers also. The first one commonly starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So that is the data and each one having the index numbers. Now in the program, the remove function, right? So for I in LST, what first time I value, the I value is a 0 index number value. 0 index number, what is there? 2 is there. So 2 is the first time I value, right? So remove of 2, the 2 will be deleted. So now 2 deleted. Okay. After 2 deleting, remaining list is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That is the present list, latest list. Okay. Now next iteration, we take the value from this list. So that's why we're giving the index numbers from here. So starting with again 0. Okay. So start with the 0 here. So first 0. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now first iteration over. Now let's go with the second iteration. The second iteration, we take the data from the latest list. Okay. So second iteration. So already index 0 position over, right? Now the I value is the index 1 position. Index 1, right now what is there? 6 is there. The latest list, index 1, what is there? 6 is there, right? So index 1, first index 0, now index 1. At index 1, what is there now? Latest list, 6 is there. Okay. So first time 0 means 2. Now the second time latest list 1 means what here? 1 means 6 is there, right? 6 is there. Now the I value is 6 now. I value is 6. So now remove of 6, right? Now 6 will be deleted. 6 also deleted from the latest list. Now in the list remaining what is there? So 6 is deleted, right? So 4, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is the latest list now. Okay. So again in this list we take the index numbers because the next iteration will take the value from here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now the third iteration we take the value from this list, this latest list. Now index 0 over, index 1 over, right? The third iteration I value will be the index 2 value, index 2 position element. Okay, so already index 0 over, now index 1 also over, next one index 2, index 2. In the latest list in index 2, what is there? Observe here, what is there? 10 is there, right? Now the I value is what? Now I value is 10. Now the I value is 10. I value is 10. Now remove of 10. So the program remove of 10. 10 also will be deleted. 10 also deleted. If 10 is deleted from the latest list, then remaining is what? 4, 8, 12, 14. This is the latest list. Okay. And again, in this one, we take the index numbers starting from 0. Because next iteration we take the values from here, right? So here we have 0, 1, 2, 3. Next iteration, fourth iteration. Okay. Fourth iteration, right? So fourth iteration. Now already what is our? Already 0 over. Okay. Already index 0 over, index 1 over, index 2 over. Now index 3. Index 3. In the latest list, all of you already in the 0 over, then 1 over, and 2 over, now 3, right? 3 in the latest list. What is the index 3? 14, right? 14. Now I value is 14. Now I is 14. I is 14. Okay. Now remove of 14. Remove of 14 means 14 also deleted. If 14 deleted, in the list what is the remaining values? 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. Okay, this is the latest list generally. So here also take the index numbers, and the next iteration take from here only. So now 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Next iteration number is fifth. Okay, fifth iteration. Fifth iteration. Okay. So now index 3 over latest one, right? Now as index number we take the 4, index 4. Index 4. Okay, now in the latest list index 4 is not there. Index 4 is not there means now there is no I value. There is no I value. That means okay, print a list. So latest list will display. That is 4, 8 to 12. That will display over. Okay, so overall first 0. 0 means which one? 2, right? So 0 means 2. First 2 deleted, 2 removed. Second time 1. 1 means 6 removed. Next 2. 2 means 10 removed. Next 3. 3 means 14 removed. That's all. These are the deleted elements. And the saving elements which are not deleted is first 4 is there. Next 4, 8. 4, 8. Then 4, 8 to 12. 4, 8 to 12. That is the remaining data. That is the result. Okay. Right. Thank you.